silence first. It only stretches thin. Every word arrives too late to change what we're already in. Familiar weight on borrowed time, routine instead of pain. We learn to call it normal when nothing feels the same. Only you, after all, built to bend, not built to stay. No signal left unanswered, no question left intact. We mistake the lack of conflict for something we still have. Every line we don't redraw hardens into shape. Comfort turns to evidence that escape was never planned. We're only human after all, holding cracks in place. Rooms remember how we stood before we learned restrained. Every promise lost its edge when repetition took its name. I'll say this feels familiar. You'll say that's enough. Another quiet ending that never needed love. We're only human after all. Nothing here was built